Innovation begins with our customers. They expect the best from ENERCON, and today we're excited to bring them another stellar innovation with the all-new SUPERSEAL Max. This induction capsular is primed to break performance barriers for both production speed and control. Our engineers have figured out a way to produce up to 20% more sealing power than ever before. This means faster sealing and maximized induction sealing windows. It's also outfitted with a touchscreen interface that unlocks a multitude of control features that will improve your productivity.
Of course, in order to get the most performance out of an induction sealer, you need to get the most energy into the foil. Basically, this relies on two things: the sealing head and the power supply. At ENERCON, we've worked very hard to design a wide variety of sealing heads that efficiently transfer the energy into the foil. Selecting the right coil for the application is one of the keys to maximizing your throughput. As for the power supply, we've made significant changes to the SUPERSEAL Max's internal architecture. We've used new system components, we've optimized the physical layout, and the power control and software have been completely redesigned. All of this provides packagers with the induction sealing performance that was never before possible.
When we introduced the SUPERSEAL Touch, it offered packagers the first touchscreen controlled induction capsular. It came fully loaded with tools to enable packagers to become more productive. Tools such as integrated cap inspection and container rejection, recipe management, supervisory password security, language capabilities, detailed operating data, and much more. With the all-new SUPERSEAL Max, packagers get all of these features, plus a new operating system featuring one-click-away navigation.
The touchscreen is very powerful in that it enables us to offer packagers additional features without the need for separate control panels and additional wiring. We've achieved faster response time and developed a navigation structure that reflects what we see used on smartphones and other devices in everyday life. This provides a comfort level for the first-time operator and creates an intuitive experience for them.
The all-new SUPERSEAL Max is the culmination of over 30 years of equipment design and application experience. It is ideal for packagers with challenging induction sealing applications and high-speed packaging lines. Power, performance, control. It's the all-new SUPERSEAL Max, another innovative product from ENERCON.